This pressure vacuum breaker from Zurn is purpose-built for high-hazard irrigation setups, giving reliable protection against backsiphonage in both residential and commercial systems. The integrated union ball valves make installation, seasonal removal, and maintenance much easier than separate valve assemblies, especially in tight mechanical spaces. Its robust construction and industrial-grade components are designed to tolerate demanding outdoor conditions and frequent pressure cycling without developing nuisance leaks. With a hydrostatic test pressure rating of 300 pounds per square inch, it inspires confidence for use on higher pressure irrigation and sprinkler lines. Threaded end connections following common pipe standards allow this assembly to tie into existing plumbing runs without special adapters or exotic fittings. Overall, it is a dependable choice for anyone who wants a durable, code-friendly backflow solution that can be serviced quickly when inspection season comes around.